Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Google Fonts. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first step is to navigate to the Google Fonts selection page. Here you're greeted by an expansive library of fonts, each with its unique characteristics and flair, ready to be incorporated into your work. Once you've landed on this treasure trove of typography, the next and possibly the most enjoyable part of the process is choosing your font. Browsing through Google Fonts, you might feel like a kid in a candy store. After you've selected the perfect font for your project, the next action is simple but crucial. Look for the Get Font button associated with your chosen font. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with different options for using the font, including the ability to download it directly to your computer. The next step involves the download icon. Clicking this will initiate the download of a zip file containing the font files. Once the download is complete, you'll find the zip file likely in your computer's Downloads folder. You'll need to extract these files from their compressed state. To do this, right-click on the zip file and selecting an option like Extract All or Unzip. Follow the prompts, and soon you'll have a folder filled with your font files, ready for the final step. That final step is installing the font onto your computer. It generally involves opening the font file, typically with a TTF or OTF extension, and clicking an Install button. In moments, the font transitions from being a file on your computer to an integrated part of your system's font library, accessible from various applications ranging from word processors to design software. And that's it. So that is how you can use Google Fonts. So that's all for this video. Thanks.